Introduction to viral videos. Did you know that the most viewed viral video has over 10 billion views? Yes, you heard that right. 10 billion. It's the universe of viral videos we're diving into, those internet sensations that skyrocket in popularity, captivating millions, even billions of eyes worldwide. They not only significantly sway the digital culture, but often shape global trends and occasionally even create history. So what's the secret behind a video going viral? Is it serendipity, perfect timing, or a secret concoction? Prepare to delve into this realm as we demystify the process of creating a viral video with simple, easy-to-understand steps. Ready, exhilarating journey? Let's dive in. First things first, know who you're talking to. This is the golden rule when your goal is to craft a video that's set to go big. Your viewers are your guide, illuminating what content appeals to them, the style they're drawn to, and the perfect timing. Observe their comments, their likes, their shares. What are they naturally passionate about? What type of video captivates them? And when are they predominantly active online? Their likes and habits form a treasure map, leading to a successful video. By understanding them, you can tailor your content, style, and timing to mesh with their preferences. It's not about losing your authentic voice or creativity. Rather, it's about merging your creativity with what your viewers love. Always keep in mind, your viewers hold the secret to your video's success. Creating engaging content. Now, on to the heart of your video, the content. In a world where every second counts, originality is your best friend. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Your content needs to be engaging, relevant, and above all, unique. Imagine your video as a story. You want to start with a bang, something that immediately grabs your viewers' attention. This could be a fascinating fact, a bold statement, or a compelling question. Once you have your viewers' attention, it's time to keep it. Make sure your content is consistently interesting, offering valuable insights or entertaining moments to keep your audience. And don't forget the grand finale, the call to action. Whether it's subscribing to your channel, sharing your video, or visiting your website, make sure your viewers know what you want them to do next. Remember, the right content can make your video unforgettable. Promoting your video. You've created an amazing video. Now how do you get it to go viral? Well, you start by sharing it far and wide. Social media platforms are your best friends here. Post it on Facebook, tweet it out on Twitter, share it on Instagram, pin it on Pinterest, and don't LinkedIn. But don't just post it and forget it. Engage with those who comment, share, and like your video. The more engagement, the better your chances of viral. The next step is to make your video easy to find. Use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. Think about what your audience might be searching for, and include those keywords in your title and description. Finally, encourage your viewers to share, like, and comment on your video. The more interaction, the more likely it is to be picked up by the algorithms and shown to even more people. With the right promotion, your video could reach millions. Summary and conclusion. So let's recap the steps to making a viral video. First, understand your audience. Know their likes, dislikes, and what makes them click. Then, create content. It should be original, exciting, and worth sharing. Finally, promote your video. Use all platforms available to you and don't hesitate to ask for shares. Remember, going viral isn't an exact science, but with these steps, you're on the right track to creating a video that could take the internet by storm.